Hi folks, Instructional Coordinator Adrian at Coronado Historic Site in Bernalillo, New Mexico. Today, as part of our ongoing series highlighting the native plants of Coronado Historic Site and the Rio Grande Valley, I'm going to show you a new plant. This is three-leaf sumac, also known as skunk bush and lemonade bush. The scientific name is Rhus trilobata. Rhus is the Greek name for sumac, and trilobata means three-lobed in Latin. This shrub is native to New Mexico and quite a wide swath of the western United States and parts of Canada. Three-leaf sumac was first collected in the 18th century from the Carolinas by the famous American gardener John Bartram to introduce English and European gardens to the fascinating plants from the New World. It is one of the very early bloomers in March or early April, producing clusters of tiny yellow flowers that become tart red berries in summer. When the leaves or stems are crushed, they are pungently aromatic, hence one of the common names, skunk bush. Another one of the common names is lemonade bush, because the tart red berries can be used to make a refreshing beverage. The three-leaf sumac grows in many types of plant communities, such as the grasslands east of the Rocky Mountains, mountainous shrubland, pine, juniper, and fir forests, wetlands, oak woodlands, and chaparral. The flowers are animal pollinated, and the seeds are dispersed by animals that eat the berries. The shrub also reproduces by sending up sprouts several meters away and forming thickets. It is browsed by big game and small mammals like porcupines and rabbits. It provides excellent winter food for songbirds, turkeys, pheasants, and quails. Bears and deer also find sustenance from the shrub. Native Americans used the twigs and branches to make baskets, particularly the Zuni Pueblo peoples and the Navajo or Dene. The leaves of the three-leaf sumac are rich with tannic and gallic acids. They were dried and smoked and then used as a tobacco substitute. As with many other native plants, diverse medicinal uses were also found. Chewing bark was thought to be a cold remedy and an oral aid for toothaches. Gastrointestinal ills were also eased by bark chewing. Application of a fruit paste was deemed to prevent hair loss, and a contraceptive aid was achieved by boiling the leaves to make tea. The Dene use the berries to make a pudding called chitchin by washing, drying, and grinding the berries with water and sugar. The end result is a delicious, warm, thick beverage similar in feel to hot apple cider. So there you have it, folks. Three-leaf sumac, native plant at Coronado Historic Site and the Rio Grande Valley. Thanks so much for watching.